Good day, everyone. Our lesson for today is all about division of polynomials. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your classmates and friends, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Also, you can find different subjects in this YouTube channel. Just select the playlist section. And finally, please don't skip the ads in this video. Thanks, and now let's proceed to our main topic for today, which is all about division of polynomials. To divide polynomial by a monomial, simply divide each term of the polynomial by the given divisor. Example, divide of 12x raised to 4 minus 16x cubed and 8x squared by 4x squared. So, ang gagawin lang natin dito, isusulat muna natin siya ng ganito, yung ating equation. Ayan. At saka yung 4x squared. And then yung 4x squared, i-distribute lang natin siya sa mga terms. So we have 12x4 over 4x squared minus 6x cubed over 4x squared plus 4x squared over 4x squared. I'm sorry, 8x squared over 4x squared. Remember that in the in the law of exponents, kapag naka-divide siya, ang ginagawa natin sa mga tawag dito, terms, or should I say sa mga literal coefficient, sinasubtract natin yung kanilang mga what they call this exponent or degree. So 12x raised to 4 over 4x squared, 12 divided 4 is 3. Since they don't have the same exponent, right? So 4 minus 2 is 2. That's why 2 yung answer natin. Then just copy the letter. Next, negative 16, divide mo siya ng 4, that's negative 4. Then 3 minus 2 is 1. Kahit hindi mo na isulat in 1, tapos ikakopy mo yung x. 8 divide 4 is 2. Then 2 minus 2 is 0. And remember the zero law sa exponent na kapag x raised to 0 yan, that's equivalent to 1. Tama? And then 1 times 2 is 2. So, yun yung answer natin. Okay, another example. Divide the following. So, divide 15x raised to 4y cubed plus 15x cubed y cubed minus 20x squared y raised to 4 by negative 5x 2y cubed. So, first, distribute mo itong negative 5x squared y cubed sa lahat ng mga terms ng ating dividend. Okay, so we have 15x squared, x4 y cubed. Ayan, so yun yun. And then after that, pwede na tayo mag-simplify. So 15 divide negative 5 is negative 3. X raised to 4 and squared. So 4 minus 2 is 2. Then cancel na to kasi that's equal to 1. Plus 25 minus 5. 25 divide negative 5. So that's negative 5. X cubed and x squared, 3 minus 2 is 1. Just copy the letter. And then kakancel na natin yun because 3 minus 3 is 0. Finally, negative 20, divide mo siya ng negative 5. So that's positive, diba? Because they have the same sign. So 20 divided 5 is 4. Positive 4. So ika-cancel natin yung parehong exponent. Then y raised to 4 minus mo siya dun sa 3. So that's 1. Okay? So finally, this is our answer for this particular example. Okay? Clear? Then, another example. So, for this particular example, we have 9a raised to 4b minus 7a cubed b squared plus 3a squared b by negative 3a squared b. So, first, isusulat natin siya ng ganito. Then, after that, i-distribute natin siya. Okay? So, we have 9 negative 3a 4 minus 2. So, pinakita lang niya. So, 4 minus 10, b 1 minus 1 plus 7 over 3. Naging positive because they have the same sign. a 3 minus 2b 2 minus 1 minus 3 over 3 kasi they don't have the same sign kaya naging negative. Then, a 2 minus 2 and b 1 minus 1. So for this portion, we have 9 divide 3 is 3. Then copy the sign negative. 4 minus 2 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0 plus 7 over 3. A 3 minus 2 is 1 and B 2 minus 1 is 1. And finally negative 3 and 3, that's negative 1. A 2 minus 2 is 0. B 1 minus 1 is 0. Again, using the rule of the zero exponent, so we have negative 3a squared, and then b squared is equal to 1, right? Plus 7 over 3a, b 1, so minus 1, a raised to 0 is 1, b raised to 0 is 1. So, pag minultiply mo yan, same lang naman ang lalabas. And then 7 over a over 3 ab minus 1 times 1 is 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. So, ito yung final answer natin. For this particular example, ito yung parang pinaka-final answer natin. Okay? Clear? Now, dividing polynomial with another polynomial. So, dividing polynomial long division is a method for dividing a polynomial by another polynomial of a lower degree. It is very similar for dividing numbers. So, parang ganito lang siya. Kapag nag-divide ka ng 277, divide mo siya ng 12. So, siyempre, gagamit ka ng long division method, right? So, ganito lang siya, di ba? You will look for the quotient of 277 and 12 until such time na makuha mo yung desired answer mo. Same din siya kung paano mag-divide ng polynomial. So, ganito rin yung gagawin natin. Okay, so let me discuss it step by step. So, divide using long division the equation negative y squared plus 2y cubed plus 25 divided by y minus 3. So, step 1, write the dividend in standard form kasi hindi siya naka-standard, di ba? So, including the terms with the coefficient of 0 kasi dito nauna yung 2 cases sa 3. So, ayusin natin siya. And then, kung napapansin nyo, after ni y squared, 25 na. So, kailangan natin maglagay ng 0y as a representation nung may 1 na degree para 3, 2, 1 yung dating. Next, write the division in the same way you would like to divide in dividing. So, ganito siyang lilitaw. Diba? So, meron siyang division sign na ganyan. Okay. Next, to divide, first, ayan, 2y squared. Parang ganito yung gagawin natin. So, ang lagi natin tinitignan, class, ay yung y. Ay yung yung leading term. Tsaka yung leading term nito. Okay. Ano yung multiply ko kay y para makakuha ko ng 2y squared? So, I am thinking na 2y squared, 2y cube I mean. So, I'm thinking about 2y squared. Because 2 plus 1 is cube, tama? And 2 times 1 is 2. So, 2y squared times y is 2y squared. Tama ba ako? So, ito yung pinaka-best answer for this. Then, ayan na. So, after natin makuha, multiply natin. So, ito yan. Then, 2y squared times negative 3 is negative 6y squared. And then, ima-minus natin sila. So, remember, in the subtraction of polynomials, we change the sign. Okay? So, ipapalitan natin to magiging positive ito. So, magiging plus na siya. So, 2y squared minus 2y cubed, minus 2y cubed. So, cancel na yan. Negative y squared plus 6y squared. So, 1 yan. They don't have the same sign. That's why 1 minus 6 is 5 and 6 is bigger than 1. So, the sign is positive. Then, just copy the letter. And the literal coefficient with the exponent, of course. Plus 0y. Ito yung 0y natin kanina, di ba? Na dinagdag. Kasi kailangan kompleto yung 3, 2, 1. Okay, halimbawa, 3 tapos ano na siya. So, maglalagay ka ng 0y squared tsaka 0y. Okay, so mga ganon. Okay, next. Again, ang leading term ko dito ay 5y squared. So, ano yung multiply ko kay y para makakuha ko ng 5y squared? So, I'm thinking about positive 5y. Because 5 times y, or 5y times y is 5y squared. Tama? So, 5y squared is the answer. So, ima-minus ulit natin siya gaya ng ginawa natin sa first step. So, pag ginawa mo yon, mag-iiba ng sign yan. So, magiging positive yan. So, plus na siya. So, 5y squared minus 5y is 0. 0y plus 15y is 15y. Okay, bring down 25. So, meron na tayong 25. Ngayon, isip ulit ako na i-multiply ko kay y sa ating leading, para makuha ko yung leading term natin na 15y. So, 15 times y is 15y. Tama? And then, 15 times negative 3 is negative 45. Then, again, ma-minus lang natin sila. So, mag-change lang tayo ng sign. So, magiging plus yan. Right? So, we have 15y minus 15y is 0. 25 plus 45 is 70. So, wala na tayong ilalagay pa kasi tapos na tayo. Okay? So, paano ngayon isulat yung final answer natin with the remainder? So, to write the final answer, ganito yung itsura niya. 2y squared plus 5y plus 15. Tapos, yung remainder natin over yung ating divisor, no? Na y minus 3. So, isusulat ko lang siya dito. Okay? So, this means na ito yung remainder ng ating nakuwang quotient. Okay? Another example. Divide this one using long division. So, simple step, ayusin muna ito so naka-ayos na siya. And then, hindi natin kailangan ng 0 kasi after ng 2, 1, and then constant. So, correct naman yung kanyang position. Then, write in division form. So, ayun na siya. So, divide. Notice that 3x times 5x is 15x squared. Write 5x above 15x squared. So, notice na yung 15, mag-iisip ka ulit ng multiply mo kay 3x para makakuha ng 15x squared. So, naisip natin is 5x because 5 times 3 is 15 and x times x is x squared. Tama? So, eto na yon. So, ilalagay lang natin siya dyan. And then, maglalagay tayo ng minus sign. Again, papalitan lang natin siya ng sign. So, ito yung magiging minus, and then magiging minus yan, then plus. So, 15 minus 15 is 0. 8 minus 5 is 3x. Then, bring down negative 12. Again, mag-iisip na naman ako ng multiply ko kay 3x para makakuha ko ng 3x. Obviously, 1 yung answer natin because that's equal to 3x, di ba? So, we have this one. Again, isa-subtract ulit natin yung nakuha natin. So, magiging minus yan, minus, then magiging plus ito. So, cancel na to kasi 3 minus 3 is 0. Negative 12 minus negative 1 is negative 13. So, that's the remainder, okay, that we have here. So, for the final answer niyan, ganyan yung itsura niya. So, 5x plus 1 minus 13 over 3x plus 1. So, that's all about the divisions of polynomials. With that, thank you very much for your listening.